Guys, we're gonna be playing this game called Grand Theft Animals. So it's like GTA with animals and gorilla type movement and pictures. So let's get. Oh my. Okay. This is new. This is definitely new. Okay. Oh. Can I buy a weapon? Okay. I wanna buy. Oh, where? What can I do? Can I hit people with this weapon? I can't. What is this for? I can't hit that person. Oh, no. Wait. Did he just arrest me? Oh, busted. That's sad. Oh, this. I have $8. Okay.
Oh yeah, just like that. Oh.
What do you want? Get out, my buddy. My brother. I need. Okay. Oh, that's how you get money. You can hit people and you get money. Oh.
Are you?
Oh, you hit people and you get money from it?
What do you have?
Oh my.
I just game banged that dude. Oh my god.
Can I go in the suit? Oh, what's this?
Hey guys, look at this!
Oh.
Is there a floating orb above them?
No.
Ooh, money. Dang! Oh my god, guys. This is okay. I want to buy a baseball bat again. That was fun. Okay. So you can hit people and steal.
I have a house, everybody.
What are you trying to do?
I need a house.
What did I do?
Busted!
I will, Michael, and make at least $300. This is gonna be hard.
$800.
Hello, you blue shirt. Oh, blue shirt. Oh, dang it. Not again.
Get you a McFish or something.
I'm sure going to it.
Whoa. Give
Enter. It's a top shape guy, so bam. Okay, so I started off with how to go in. Started. Hello, comp. Okay, this is
Busted!
harder than I thought. Okay, we lost 10% of my money, so I didn't. You still have the same amount of money. So my best be able to rob a bank, but probably not. I hate. Why do you have to go all the way over here? Just see, I'm lazy. So why do I have to go all the way over here to buy that? I can buy food if I really wanted to. I'm too lazy, like I said. Okay, so what do I do now? Can I like hit people? Wait, did I go goes away? No. Oh, juke! Hit the cup. No! No! Remember, our goal is $300. I have 100. I have to spend my money. Go over here. Spend all my moolah on that. Not all of it, but you know what I mean. Let's just go where the cops are in town. See, there's a cop right there, so not go over there. Do they know what's in? Why does there have to be cops in the world like me? I didn't see here, officer. Yes. Okay, I have $150. You're broke, so you don't have any more left. Just a granny and this man's man. Officer Petroleum. You see nothing here? I'll go to the building. Okay, we're paying me on the Rosie man. Everything with you. Ow! No! No! They need a gun. They need to add that. That's where I'm making money up, babe. Hey, officer. So cute, Gucci. Yeah, go. Dang him. My baby, slow down. Hit the cup, hit the cup. Okay, maybe my friends could help me. No, man, how could help me? I still need to make $300. I'm not ending this video until we make $300, guys. Don't you even think about it. Look, don't you click off the video. Don't you dare click off the video. Because I'm not. What? Let's bring up a conversation with you guys while you're great. Have you listened to Hot Saying Me yet? Oh, you haven't? Click off the channel and go watch what you need now. Die. It's Dara. Hey, come here. Oh yeah, we're doing good.
Busted!
I'm not giving up. I can barely make 200. How am I supposed to do 3? Okay, everybody see it on them. Anything. Okay, wait. We don't have to feed the plant anymore. We can do it though. Hey, we don't have to do it. Why am I off the mat? That's just huge. Guys, I think I'm about to make $300. $300 bucks. I'm at 69, guys. I'm at 260. Okay, yes! Jimmy, let's make one more 100 before we go away. Then I'll end the video, guys. Let's end the video on a strong note. Make you $400. Just end it off there. Pop one more subscriber, and you guys can leave. $400, guys. Okay, so let me just finish off the video. So today was a fun video. Today was a very, very fun video, guys. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Okay. And stay jalapeno and stay pepper. Pepper VR out.